Hey, how's it going? I'm Tom. I do voiceover for the video lectures at coding-bootcamps.com. You can follow them on social media and the sites listed in the top right. This is a quick intro for our Intro to the C Programming Language video series. So, who's this guy talking? I've been working with computers my whole life and started programming pretty young. Currently, I'm on my way to a bachelor's degree in computer science. My background includes Linux development, network programming, and game programming. C and C++ are my strongest languages, but others I know include Bash, D, C#, among others. There are no prerequisites for this class. I assume as little knowledge as possible coming into the series. So what topics do we cover? We get an overview of the C programming language, compiler directives, the C preprocessor, the basic data types that we work with in C, pointers and dynamic memory allocation and management, scary, I know. Macros, arrays, basic I/O formatting, program debugging and the tools involved in that, C's operators and expressions, and C's flow control. Alongside this course, there are 6 hands-on projects, and you can watch my live thought processes as I program a solution to each one after you do it yourself. So, what else will you get out of this? You'll get a basic understanding of C, the tools used to write C code, and the legacy and influence of C. Practices that are applicable to almost any programming language or discipline. Low-level memory management, getting into the details of how C and the operating system interact. And an understanding for how the computer handles data, those nitty-gritty details that some languages let you gloss over entirely. Follow-up classes include intermediate-level C programming with hands-on examples, and learn C++ programming by examples. Thank you for listening, and I hope you'll join us.